Hi everyone, my name is Sharad Kumar and I completed my MCA in Sayuri College of Engineering and Management, VTU University, 2016 passed out. After getting passed, I found difficult to find the job in IT industry. Being a fresher, I tried in so many IT companies like HCL, Wipro, IBM, Tech Mahindra, etc. like that. But yeah, being fresher, I did not get selected. I found very difficult to get selected. Uh, and after that, one of my friend recommended me about Evision Technoserve. Later one day I came to Evision Technoserve and I spoke with them like my difficulties and everything. And they guided me a very lot and they motivated me and they helped me a very lot to get placed in a top IT company. And after joining the Evision, within 2 months I got placed in a IT company called Mercedes Benz for the role of desktop engineer. So my suggestion is for those who are struggling to get a job being a fresher. So I would like to suggest that you can come to eVision and you can speak with them and you can take help from them. So they will motivate you and they will guide you and they will definitely help you to get placed in a top IT company. So once again I would like to thank our entire eVision team. So thanks once again, Evision.